Okay. Okay, children. So I think you have understood how to draw a pie chart, isn't it? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today also I will send 2 more questions. Okay. By that you will get clear about pie chart. But we have some questions based on pie chart in your textbook. So that we need to do now. Okay. Page 82. Take page 82. Page 82. We have some questions. Okay. All of you read question number 1. Read question number 1. A survey was made to find type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the findings of this survey. Here pie chart is given. We need to answer by observing the pie chart. We need to answer some questions.
Ma'am, which page number?
82. 82. Page 82, read first question. Okay, Afridi. Okay. Page 82, read first question. It is given, pie chart is given. A survey was made to find the interest of music of certain group of people. Okay. And a pie chart is there. Some group like classical music, some are like semi-classical, folk music, and light music also. Okay. Now let us start. Nakul, read first question. Nakul, read first one.
Ma'am, what page is it?
Ma'am,
82.
can
Page
you see the
82.
page number?
82. Page 82. Page 82. Nakul, read first question. Nakul, can you hear me? Let me see. Now, unmute. Read the first one. Unmute and read. Read, Nakul. We can't hear you. I think some problem there. Jonal, please read the first one. Jonal, Nakul has some problem, I think. Jonal, you please read.
A survey was
Okay, only that first. Okay, read.
A survey was made to find the type of music that certain group of young people like in a city. Adjoining chart
Adjoining,
shows
yeah.
chart shows the findings of this survey. From this pie chart, answer the following.
Okay, wait. There is a pie chart. Did you see, children? Did you see the pie chart based on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
survey? Okay. Okay, John, I'll read first question.
If 20 people like classic music, how many people were surveyed?
Surveyed. From the figure, we can see there are 10% classical, no? 10% of the total surveyed people liked classical music. The question, how many surveyed? How can we get 10% of a group of people is equal to 20? The 10% equal to 20. 10% equal to 20. 10% of a group of people is equal to 20. So what is that group? So how How can we find how many surveyed? How many people are surveyed? How can we find? There are some people, a group of people. Their 10 percentage is equal to 20. So how we will find that group percentage? You have studied last year, 7th, isn't it? There's a chapter, no? Percentage.
10% of X is 20.
Very good, very good. Yes. Let X be the number of
People. Sorry, group.
number of people. Okay, people.
700,
Wait.
right? Only 700, right?
Huh?
It's
Ah,
700, right?
yes. You wait.
Do we write or not?
Yes, right.
Okay.
Okay. So let X be the number of people surveyed. So X, it's 10 percentage.
Excuse
10.
me. New chapter, no, right? It's the same chapter, right?
Same chapter. No, same chapter. Pie chart.
Okay.
Okay. It's 10 percentage means X into 10 by 100. And given that it's 10 percentage is equal to how much? 20. Okay. So 10 and 1 0 we can cancel. So X by 10 equal to 20. Cross multiplying. X equal to 20 into 10, 200. So there are 200 people surveyed. And from that 200 people, 10 percentage or 20 liked classical music. Okay. Nusiyat, next question. Read next question. Nusiyat,
Ma'am, page number?
82. Nusiyat, read next question. Read next question.
Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people?
By looking the figure, you can say which type of music is liked by maximum number of people,
Light.
Nusiyat?
Light music.
Light music. You can write the answer. Maximum number of people like the light music. Maximum number of people like light music. Light music. Third one. Aisha, third question.
If the cassette combine were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make?
All of you think, how can we do that? This company has to make total 1000. And they know the interest of people also. So how can they have to make a light music CDs, semi-classical movies, folk music CDs, and classical CDs. So how much number they have to make, and they need a total 1000 also. So how can we do this? Think. Total, they have to make total 1000 CDs, and they know the interest by a survey. They know the interest of people. 10 percentage like classical CDs. So how much classical CDs they have to make? How can we find? Think. Did you understand my question? What you have to think that you understood? A company has to make 1000 CDs.
Ma'am, I think I got the answer, but I don't know how I
No
got the
problem,
answer.
no problem,
10
no problem.
percentage of
Ma'am, they-
1000. 10 percentage of 1000.
Uh,
Ma'am, the answer is 100 for classical music, 300 for folk, and 400 for light music, and 200 for semi-classical.
how did you get it? How did you get it? Explain
Ma'am,
that.
that I did it like it's not. I don't know if that's a proper way. of
No
doing
problem.
it,
You can say no
but,
problem.
to get 1000,
Hmm.
we need to group it as 100. So
Hmm.
like that, I just did all the simply.
Okay, understood. And I understood. Okay, how you divided 1000 into 10 hundreds, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Like that I did.
Okay, good. Anyway,
And
no
then I just
problem.
simply added those.
I
I will get
understood. I
1000.
understood. So, okay, no problem. Okay, you can think, no, in different way you can think. Okay, if it is since it is 1000 and a percentage also given, you can do that way. No problem. Also, no problem. But Surja said the method. Okay,
Percentage
finding
of
percentage. Finding percentage, we can find it. Thousands. There are total 1000 CDs on which first is for. Anyway, we will take it for semi-classical. So for semi-classical, CDs, how we will find? There are total 1000 into percentage for semi-classical is 20. So 20 percentage CDs they will make for semi-classical. So it's 20 percentage. 20 percentage of 1000. Now for classical CDs, what's the percentage for classical CD? 10. So 10 percentage of 1000. 10 percentage of 1000. And next, folk CDs. Percentage is 30. Evaluate all these values. And last, light music. Light music CDs. The percentage is 40 percentage. So they will make this much light music CDs. Evaluate these values. Find the values.
200 semi-classical, 100 classical, 300 folk, and 400 light music. Is it?
Yes, correct. Okay, children, I will explain how Elsa think. What she did, she divided that 1000 into 10 hundreds. Isn't it, Elsa?
Yes, ma'am. Altogether, when we add, we have to get 1000.
3, 4,
So like
5,
that, I divided.
7. I understand, but it's good. No problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And classical, semi-classical is 20, no? So she add these two. And so it is 200. And classical CD is 10. Only one she took. And folk it is 3. So 300. And light music it is 400. So she added 400. That's way. Okay, that's a good method. If it is hundreds and thousand, we can do in this way. Okay, but using the percentage formula, you can easily find. Anyway,
Yes, ma'am. For exam and all, if it is written test, then we have
okay.
to do it in the right way. So I just simply did it to get the answer.
Okay, good. You have to think in all the possible ways. Okay. Okay. Now next one. Next question, question number 2. Nasrin, read question number 2. All of you.
A group of 360 people were asked
mm.
to vote for their favorite season from 3 season training. Season rainy, winter, and summer. First one, which season got the most vote?
Which season got the most vote?
Winter.
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 Then next question. Next question. Nasrin.
Ma'am, Nihan is in the waiting room. Nihan.
Find
No,
and
no one is there in the waiting room. I admitted all. Yes, Nasrin, read next.
find the central angle of each sector.
Central angle, you know how to find. Now no need to find. Find the central angle of each sector. That you can do. And?
Draw a pie chart to show this information.
Okay, so that will be a homework question. Homework question. Second is a homework question. Because finding a central angle that you can do, pie chart also, you can draw that. Okay. Now, third one also, draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows color preferred by a group of people. See the third question. Can you do it as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that also homework. Afrin, can you do that? Table is given now. You can do it using pie chart. Okay.
Which one is the homework?
Ma'am, that's the normal price.
Second and third homework. Second and third is a homework.
And
Fourth,
third is the normal pie chart, right?
yes,
Yeah.
yes, normal pie chart. Fourth we will do here. Read fourth one. Akash, read. Read the
Yes, ma'am.
question. Read it. So who's reading the question? Fourth one. Read. I asked somebody to read. Read. Who's reading? Aisha, read. Aisha. No, Akash. Akash, you're reading. No, Akash, read. Yeah, read it. Read. Stop. I think he has network issue. Okay, Aisha, you read.
The adjoining pie chart gives the mark score in the examination by the students in Hindi, English, Maths, Social, and Science. If the total mark obtained by the students were 540, answer the following question.
You can see the pie chart there. Marks which shows marks obtained by the children of different subjects. Then read first question. Read, Aisha, read first question. Unmute and read.
In which subject did the students score 150?
In which subject did the students score not 150, no, 105? 105. Which subject the students score 105 marks? That was the question. All of you think, how can we find this? Here the pie chart is given, central angles also given. Mark is 105. So 105 is correspond to one of the sector, one of the angle here. We need to find which one. The 105 is corresponds to some of the angles. The mark 105 corresponds to some of the parts of the
Central
pie
angle.
chart. Central angles. So how can we find? You finding central angle, you know, isn't it? If the mark is given, you can find the central angle.
Ma'am,
Here,
if we want to find sines, so 65 degree of
yes.
540.
So all of you think. Central angle you can find. That you know, central angle. If 105 is given, you can find its central angle. Total also given. How? 105. 105. Total, what is the total mark?
540.
Total mark is 540. So 105. How you will find central angle? Formula, Gopika.
Value of that item.
Value of that item. That is 105. Here it is a particular value, 105 they are given. Then 105 by
Sum of values of all items.
Here what is the sum? Here mark. What is the total sum? Sum of mark in this question. Total marks are given 540 in this question. Read the question. I will read it once again. The figure shows mark obtained by a student in an examination. Okay, different subjects, social science. Okay, if the total mark obtained by the students were total mark obtained by the student, only not students. Total mark obtained by the student is 540. Answer the following. Okay. So the total mark is 540. Our table will be marks obtained by the student. Different subject. If it is math, mark will be given. And using this data, we will draw the pie chart. That pie chart is given. For that, we will find the central angle, isn't it? Using this central angle, we will draw the pie chart. So here, total mark also given. Total mark is 540. And total mark is 540. And mark for one of the subject. We don't know for which it is. Any one of the subject is 105. Okay, we have to find for which subject that child score 105. So in the figure, all the central angles are given. Okay, so what we will do, we will find the central angle corresponds to this 105. And you can look at the figure. That central angle corresponds to which subject. Is it clear what we are going to do? I will explain once again. Usually for drawing pie chart, we are given subject. For this question, if it is subject will be given, marks also will be given, and we will find central angle. That is a method. And after that, we will draw the pie chart. Different sectors we will draw, isn't it? And in this question, what are given? Subjects are given. Math, science subjects are given, and total mark also given. Total mark 540 is given, and pie chart is given with all central angles. Pie chart also shown with all central angles, and 1 mark is given, 105, and we don't know which subject mark it is. Okay, some of maybe it's math, science, or social science. We don't know which subject mark is this 105. So how we will find which subject mark it is? We will find the central angle corresponds to this 105 by 105 by 540 into 360. This is the way we are finding central angle. And using this central angle, they have drawn the pie chart. It is given in the question. So corresponds to that central angle on the pie chart, we can read which was the subject. Is it clear? How can we find from the pie? Okay. So we will start, first of all, we will find the central angle corresponds to the mark 105. Okay. So write central angle corresponds to the mark 105. That is 105. And before that, total mark is given. Total mark 540. 105 by 540 into 360. Find how much it is.
70.
70. All of you find that. Nine you can cancel. 9 4s are 36. 9 6 are 54. Then 3 here, 2 here, 3 again here, 35 into 2, 70 degree. Now look at the figure. For which subject this 70 degree corresponds to? Hindi. Is it clear how to find? If mark is given, how to find the subject? Okay, so 70% corresponds to subject Hindi, to Hindi. Therefore, mark for Hindi is 105. The child got 105 mark in the subject Hindi. Okay. If it is clear to you, you can find the next. How many marks were obtained by the student in How many more marks were obtained by the student in maths than in Hindi. So first of all, you have to find mark for maths. Then you have to find difference between maths and Hindi. First, you have to find mark for maths. What is the central angle for maths?
90.
Central angle for math is 90 degree. Central angle for maths is 90 degree. So how can we find mark for maths? If mark is given, mark by 540 into 360 is this 90 degree, isn't it? Mark by 540 into 360 is the 90 degree that is given, central angle. Central angle for math is the mark for math by 540 into 360 will give this 90 degree central angle. So cancelling, again we can cancel 1 9, 9 6 are 54, 9 4s are 36. So mark into 4 by 6 equal to 90. Mark into 4 equal to 6 into 90. Cross multiplying. So mark for math. Math mark equal to 6 into 90 by 4. Simplify and find out what was the mark for math. 2, 3, 45. What was the mark? What was it? How much it is? Math mark?
70 degree.
70 degree. We are finding mark.
135.
135. 3 into 45. 3 into 45. 135. This is the mark for math. But question is not mark for math. The difference between the math mark and Hindi mark. Which is the highest? Math mark. So difference between math mark
30.
Hindi is 135 minus 105, 30. Okay. Now, Faisan, read the last question, last one. Read it.
Ma'am. Ma'am, it was, ma'am, I was lagging, ma'am. I couldn't, ma'am.
Aaron, read next.
Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social, science, and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi.
Hindi. Just by examining the figure, can you say which sum is more? Sum of social and maths or sum of science and Hindi? By simply examining the pie chart. Which is more? Sum of social and math. Sum of social and math. And we have sum of other is science and Hindi.
Maths and social.
Science and Hindi. Science. What is the sum of angles for social and math? Social and math.
90 plus 65.
social and 90 plus 65 degree. 90 degree plus 65 degree, and it is 155 degree. And what is the sum of science and Hindi?
150.
80 plus 70 plus 80, 150 degree. So which is more? Which is more? Sum of science and math is more than sum of science and Hindi. Okay. And question number 5 is a direct question. Draw a pie chart. That also homework. So 3 pie charts for the next class. 3 pie charts. Question number 2, 3, and 5. And children, for the next period, when is my next period for you? Last period, no, 4:55. 4:55. You do one